Welcome to cloud computing tutorial. So today we will create a virtual private cloud. It is like a private data center inside AWS. So first of all, go to search bar and type VPC, virtual private cloud. Click on it. Then you can able to see Create VPC. Click on Create VPC. So go to VPC settings. Click on VPC only, and here you can give the VPC name tbk underscore VPC. So IPv4, here it is total CADR block size. I am giving 10.0.0.0/16. So it is nothing but so I hope you already know CADR notation. So it is around so the number of network bits and number of host bits. 16 bits are allotted to the network and remaining 16 will be host bits. So from this we can divide the subnets. Tenancy is a default one. That's all. Create on a VPC. Now the VPC is created successfully. Okay. So then go to subnets. Here already subnets are there. You can so these are previous subnets. Just go to create subnet and select your VPC tbk underscore VPC and then come down. So subnet settings, here give the public subnet. Okay, availability zone you can give 1, and CADR notation is block 16 blocks. So and then here you have to mention two subnets 10.0.1.0 by 24. So these 24 bits are network bits and remaining 8 bits per host. 2 power 8 to 256 IP address will come for this subnet. So here you can able to see these 256 IPs. And then come down. So click on add new subnet and give the other subnet. It is a private subnet. Availability zone, and here you can give so 10.0.2.0. So once it is finished, two subnets are created. Click on create subnet. Now it is fine, two subnets are created. Then go to internet gateways. It is previous one. You can okay, create another internet gateway. So today okay, create subnet internet gateway, create internet gateway. So now go to attach to VPC. Select your VPC tbk underscore VPC, attach internet gateway. So your VPC is attached to this internet gateway. Okay. Now go to subnets, identify your public subnet and go to note down the router table. So this is F04D. Just note down this router ID for this public subnet. Go to router table 185A42 and then go to router table, root tables, create a root table. Attach, select your VPC, create root table. Now root table is created. Click on edit routes, add root, select, and then here internet gateway, and you need to select your internet gateway. This is your internet gateway. Now you have to done. So router table, router ID, we have noted here subnet. Go to subnets, public subnet, and a router table ID is 185A42. 185A42. So for this one only we have to connect. Edit routes, add route, internet gateway, select the step, save changes. Previous step is ignored, just you have to attach the router to the public subnet only. Okay, so now it is done. So once router is also attached, then you can go to the EC2. You can create the instance, launch instance. Launch instance. Create the server name. Then come down, select the OS image. Now you can able to see your VPC. Instance type is common, t3.micro, and here key pair you have to create. So it is already done. Why? Otherwise you can create a new key pair. And then edit on network settings. Here VPC you have to select your own VPC, tbk_VPC. So subnet is also public subnet, 256. Remaining 5 are reserved for the AWS. So auto assign public, click on enable, and then come down here. Inbound security rules, we have to select the type SSH only. Protocol port is 22. Source type is my IP address. So this is your IP. So then it is done. Okay. You have to verify all clearly, otherwise it is very difficult to finish. So once it is done, click on launch instance. It will show the error. Launch is done. Then connect to instance. So you can able to see the public IP address. This is the public IP address. Just copy it and try to connect directly from this EC2 SSH client. So if you are able to connect, it is fine. So this is the public IP address. Okay, it is not connecting to this. Then you can go to git bash. So it is environment on Windows, where we can work with the Linux environment from the Windows option, Windows OS. Okay. Now after this, so I have noted steps. Just subnets creation is done. So now, so we'll connect the EC2 instance from this SSH client. So this is the environment, Linux environment for the Windows users. So if you are unable to get it directly from the AWS server, so direct we can work it on the Linux environment on Git bash. So you have to download it from the internet, and once it is installed onto your system, then you can work like this. So now, so we'll note down, we'll write this step. So here we have to copy the password. So IPv4 public IP address. So go to instance. So our instance is this one. Copy the public IP address and note down here. Copy here and take this SSH. So accordingly, you have to paste here. So user, my laptop user is HP. That's why I took. So .pem file is available from the downloads. So then just remove the lines here. Then copy it and open the bash. Open this and just type. So now we can able to see this. Yes, type yes. So it is done successfully. So we have connected the EC2 instance via SSH. So for that the proof is you will get the username like this. So once it is done, then we'll update the Linux environment. So once after completing this, just noted this all steps. I'll post in the description also. So just update this environment. Sudo yum update y. Once it is updated, then we'll install the server. Yes, it is updated now. So once updation is done, so let us install the common tools. Yes, these all are updated successfully. It is completely done. Then if you want to verify the network option, just type this. So this is the network, how it is working. Yes, ping google.com IP address is 172.253.63.139.56 data it is coming. So google.com ping statistics. So once after finishing this, just install the web server, so to host some website. So now the installation of the web server, it is done successfully. So once after installation of the server, then we can host the static website. So hosting this static website is done. So now the part is over. Now go to again EC2 instance and change the security groups. go to security groups, instance, and go to security groups. And then just VPC ID. So we have to select our VPC ID. So if you are unable to, then go to VPC and select our VPC ID. TBK, this is the VPC ID 38960. Come back to 389. Go to security groups. VPC ID 38960. Open the security groups and change the inbound rule. Edit. SSH port range is 22 we have given. Edit inbound rules. Add a rule SSH HTTP and select 80. Source anyone who can access it. Save rules. Okay, now this is done. Then take the public instance, click on our IP address, copy the public IP and go to website, go to any HTTP. Now we can able to see the, now you can see here, we can able to see our launched website, hosted website on EC2 instance. This is how we can work with the virtual private cloud, and so it is, as we mentioned, it is like a private data center with all subnets and route tables and internet gateways. That's all for now. So if this video is helpful to you, please like the video and share the video and comment the if you want any other things. Thank you all.